We are pleased to show you the 2022 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.